Hey, what's up? How you doing? Here we have one, I have to say, really vintage cassette deck, Fisher CR-125, right? And it's a black model. You can also find it in silver. It's a really vintage cassette deck. I think this is probably 82nd, 83rd, 80s, I don't know. Beginning of 80s. What is significant of this cassette deck are, of course, those two beautiful Wu meters. I have to power it on. So if I turn my flash on my camera, you can see the V meters are off, meters are on. Very basic model, but for that time I think that was a standard. It can play normal chrome and metal tapes. It has a powered mechanism, so it's not mechanical deck. There is a counter, of course, mechanical counter, and there is two beautiful peak meters. Input level recording, you can adjust left and right side. There are phones, output, input for microphones and line. You can put left and right microphone stereo, or of course mono, only left. You can choose metal, chrome or normal tape, and there is a Dolby noise reduction system. So if you want to select chrome, you just press this button. If you want to select metal, this button. If you want a normal, both buttons are off. Pretty much basic model. It's so old that I really cannot find technical information about it, so I really don't know the frequency and all that stuff. All I can do is play a little bit with it, maybe test it for a moment. I got some old pre-recorded tape. I'm gonna put it inside, try a little bit, rewind. I mean, someone probably serviced this one because everything works just fine, which is rare for a 40 years old cassette deck. Everything worked just fine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play some music from a YouTube library and try to record it here. Let's see, let's play some music. Let's put it in a recording pose. You see there is a red LED. Record and play. So now it's waiting for me to release the pause button and to start recording. I can do that right now. I'm gonna reset the counter and I'm gonna find something on YouTube to play. Let's try this. This is a normal tape, so everything is turned off, and I believe this is fine. Look at those beautiful Wu meters. Well, it is dark in my room, so I have to use my flash. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna pause this. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna rewind it. Oh, there is something that was recorded before, as I can see, but that's fine too. Let's see the new recording. There you go. I have to say I'm surprised. The quality of this tape is probably on, I don't know, very old, and who knows where it comes from. It's not mine, it's not new, it's already pre-recorded, but this sounds just fine. Let's try crumb tape. This is simple Sony HF, and we have something also old but XL2 Maxell. That is crumb. We're gonna put it in a crumb position, and I'm gonna just play more music from my computer, YouTube copyright free tracks, and I'm gonna record it. I may pump up a little bit the input level because it's a crumb tape. Maybe I should turn the Dolby too. I don't know. Let's turn the Dolby. Maybe it's too much, I don't know. But I bet it's gonna sound good. Let's try this. This is a crumb tape. Yeah. I'm totally satisfied. Yes, I am. Alright folks, I don't want to spend too much time on this very simple basic cassette deck, but I have to say I'm really impressed with the sound. I listened a couple of days before this recording, and it really sounds great on all pre-record tapes that I've listened to. Maybe the recording, I know I'm expecting too much from the basic cassette deck. After all, I would like to see some bias or something, I know. But if you just put some basic Sony HF or even XL2, it will record just fine. I mean, it's not gonna record like Nakamichi or some top-notch models, but if you just wanna play tapes, this is perfect cassette deck. If you want to record and you do some stuff, then maybe it's a simple model for you, maybe you need something more. But if you just want to play tapes and enjoy these beautiful peak meters, I believe this could be a model for you. It's really vintage. You can find it, as I said, in silver too. Very nice, good looking tape, cassette tape. What else I should say? I don't know. I said everything. Dolby, all that stuff. I said everything. Alright, that would be it for this time. I hope you enjoy it, and see you maybe next time. Cheers.